New support and resistances have been modified. So above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and below this level we have to again look for shorting opportunities with a with a small stop loss and a big target, because the reason is if it goes in a direction then we'll be in good profit, otherwise we'll only give a small stop loss. Now we have to look for a retracement till here and a resistance, a bearish type of move. Then we have to look for shorting opportunities in here, and that too in half quantity, because the reason is you can take in full quantity because the trend is on the downside. In here we have to look for buying opportunities in half quantity for buying. Okay, in here we have to look for half quantity buying. Support and resistances have been modified. So below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities. Retrace first, come till here, give a resistance, then we have to look for shorting opportunities, and then till here we can expect a good bounce because trend is on the upside. So while shorting, take a half quantity only, and below this level we can expect a good downside move till here. Okay, and above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and this will be a no trade zone. Below this level we had to look for shorting opportunities, and we got one also. In here at first we didn't got, but on the second time we had got a good entry, and till here we got 28 pips. In secondly, below this level we had to look for shorting opportunities, and it went 50% in our direction, 31 pips, and then completely reversed. So our trail SL got it. And above this level we had to look for buying opportunities, so nothing like that happened. It went only in flick movement and then gave completely downside retracement. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. Same in euro USD also. Above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities. Nothing like that happened. Below this we had to look for shorting opportunities, and it went also in here. Okay, it gave 15 pips and then gave a complete bounce from this level. It was the main level, above which we were looking for bounce, but a sharp V-shaped recovery. I wasn't expecting a V-shaped recovery, but nothing, but no problem if it came. Then also we had decided above this level we were looking for consolidation, then only a good target, but it went completely in a direction. We were looking for a consolidation to happen and then give a breakout, but it gave a breakout in a completely V-shaped manner, complete straight line. So no problem, but we got a easy from here to here, 30 pips. Below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities. This whole area was a no trade zone from here till here. Below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and above this level we were expecting two types of possibility. First was that it will consolidate then give a breakout, or it can give complete breakout. So it gave a complete breakout from here till here. Our target was also met, 47 pips. Now I'll modify new support and resistances, and then we'll decide what new trades we have to take. So in Bitcoin also we had decided three possibilities. Below this level we had to look for shorting opportunity, nothing like that happened. Okay, in half quantity. Above this level we have to look for buying opportunity once it gives a retracement. Okay, it gave a retracement, came above, then we had took an entry here, and we achieved 1000 to 1500 points. You can see easy. At this level second opportunity was that it might consolidate then give a bounce. Also it gave that also, but it went completely in a straight line move. But now in here it is giving a bounce, taking a support from here till here. So now I'll modify new support and resistances, and seeing too much support and resistance here we can assume that it will be a volatile area, so we should avoid trading here in this zone. Okay, it's better that you take trade once it crosses this level. Okay, look for buying opportunities till here, and below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and the target will be here, and then we can expect a buying side of move because trend is still on the upside. Okay, I had expected a good downside move below this level, and I had told that we have to sell in half quantity. The reason was this only, because the trend is on the upside. Trend is on the upside. There are very high chances that it might give it might go 50% in a direction and then give a complete opposite move. That was the reason for saying that we have to look for selling opportunities, but in half quantity, and buy in full quantity. Reason being because the trend is on the upside, and you can see I had told that till here we can expect a good upside momentum. It has 5 new support and resistances. So above this level we can look for buying opportunities only if it gives a downside retracement, and the target will be the first target will be this, and second will be this. Any V-shaped recovery, any sudden retracement downside, we can expect a V-shaped recovery. And below this level we have to short in half quantity and buy in full quantity. If you like my videos, please like and share, friends. Thank you.